Hello, let's all practice set 1.4. Question first. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3:5, then find the ratio of their areas. Here you may note, situation is about a ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. And we learned that a ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals a ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides by theorem of areas of similar triangles. That we are going to apply here. Question first. Solution. We have the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides dash 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 by theorem of areas of similar triangles. That is, if triangle 1 similar triangle 2, then A1 upon A2 equals S1 square upon S2 square, where S1 and S2 are their corresponding sides. Okay, and he provided us a ratio of their corresponding sides as 3:5. We are going to consider S1 is to S2 as 3:5. Before that, let's mention here by theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay, and therefore A1 upon A2 equals S1 upon S2 bracket square, and we have S1 upon S2 means S1 is to S2, ratio of the corresponding sides, which is provided as 3:5 means 3 upon 5 its square, and therefore A1 upon A2 equals 3 upon 5 square, and therefore A1 upon A2 equals square of 3 is 9 and square of 5 is 25, and therefore A1 is to A2 equals 9 is to 25. That is the ratio of their areas is 9 is to 25. Question second. If triangle ABC similar triangle PQR and AB is to PQ equals 2:3, then fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equals AB square upon box equals 2 square upon 3 square equals box upon box. Okay. Question second, solution. Here he provided triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Since it is given, and therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equals AB square upon PQ square. We learned theorem of areas of similar triangles. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. AB correspond to PQ, that's why AB square upon PQ square. And here he provided AB is to PQ equals 2:3, that's why 2 square upon 3 square. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 by theorem of areas of similar triangles. Question third. If triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, area of triangle ABC equals 80, area of triangle PQR equals 125. Then fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle dash equals 80 upon 125, and therefore AB upon PQ equals box upon box. Okay. Here, let's write a solution. Here, he provided triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Since it is given, and therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equals AB square upon PQ square by theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay, and therefore we know about area of triangle ABC, which is 80, and area of triangle PQR, which is 125, that equals AB square upon PQ square. Okay, now 80 and 125 both are not perfect squares, but AB square and PQ square are squares of AB and PQ respectively. 80 and 125 both are divisible by 5. Let's divide them by 5. Then 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30. Okay, and therefore AB square upon PQ square will be 16 upon 25. And therefore by taking square root we get AB upon PQ equals 4 upon 5 by taking square roots. Now let's put these values in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equals 80 upon 125, and therefore AB upon PQ equals 4 upon 5. Question 4th. Triangle LMN similar triangle PQR. 9 into area of triangle PQR equals 16 into area of triangle LMN. If QR equals 20, then find MN. Okay. Question 4th, solution. Now here you may know triangle LMN similar triangle PQR. Okay. And as a triangle LMN similar triangle PQR, and he gave 9 into area of triangle PQR equals 16 into area of triangle LMN. From that product we may show ratio equals a ratio, and that ratio will be nothing but ratio of areas of two similar triangles, and we know that ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals a ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Here QR equals 20 and we are interested to find MN. No doubt QR and MN are corresponding sides. Okay, that's why let's start with here. Let's start with that product. 9 into area of triangle PQR equals 16 into area of triangle LMN. Okay, dash since it is given. Okay, and therefore rearranging this equation we get area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN, means that area of triangle LMN from right we have transferred towards left. It was multiplier at the right side, now it is divisor at the left side. Now at the right side there will be 16, and now 9 which was at LHS will be now at RHS at the denominator. Okay, let's call it as equation 1. But triangle PQR is similar with triangle LMN since it is given, and therefore area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN equals we may write PQ square upon LM square equals QR square upon MN square equals PR square upon LN square by theorem of areas of similar triangles. But we are not going to write all the ratios of corresponding sides. We are going to consider a ratio of the squares of QR and MN only, because QR is provided and asking about MN. Okay, that's why QR square upon MN square by theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay, and therefore let's put known values. We know about area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN, which is 16 upon 9. Let's put value of QR. Value of QR is provided 20. That's why it will be 20 square upon MN square. And therefore let's take out roots of both sides. Therefore it will be 4 upon 3 equals 20 upon MN. By taking square roots. Okay, and now let's cross multiply them. Therefore 4 into MN equals 20 into 3, and therefore MN equals 20 into 3 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20, and 5 threes are 15. Therefore MN equals 15. Question 5th. Areas of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If a side of the smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find corresponding side of the bigger triangle. Yes, it is just like question first. Okay, in question first he gave ratio of the corresponding sides of two triangles and asked about ratio of their areas. And here he provided ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. Actually he provided areas of two similar triangles and asking about corresponding sides of bigger triangle, providing side of smaller triangle. Okay, question 5th. Solution. We have the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. That is, if triangle 1 similar triangle 2, then A1 upon A2 equals S1 square upon S2 square by theorem of areas of two similar triangles. Okay, now let's put here areas of two triangles. He gave areas of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. 225 upon 81. Square centimeter will cancel each other. Now here you may know 225 is an area of a triangle. Here we noted it as A1 and A2 is 81. Means 225 is an area of bigger triangle and 81 is a area of smaller triangle. And therefore 12 is a side of smaller triangle. Means 12 correspond to S2. That's why let's write at the denominator 12 square and S1 is the corresponding side of bigger triangle. Let's keep it as it is, S1 square, and therefore by taking square roots, 225 is the square of 15, that's why right here 15, and 81 is the square of 9, that's why right here 9 is 15 upon 9 equals S1 upon 12. By taking square roots, okay, and therefore let's cross multiply. 15 into 12 equals S1 into 9, and therefore S1 equals 15 into 12 upon 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, and therefore S1 equals 5 4s are 20 centimeter. That is the corresponding side of bigger triangle. Bigger triangle is equals 20 centimeter. Question 6. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. If area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF equals 1:2 and AB equals 4, find DE. Question 6th solution. Here triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles, and therefore angle A equals angle B equals angle C equals 60 degree, angle D equals angle E equals angle F equals 60 degree, common curly, since angles of equilateral triangles, okay, and therefore in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A congruent angle D, angle B congruent angle E, and therefore triangle ABC similar triangle DEF by AA test of similarity, okay, and we know that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals a ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Okay, he gave us side AB of triangle ABC equal to 4, and we are interested to find DE, and that's why let's write here, therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF equals AB square upon DE square by theorem of areas of two similar triangles. Now let's put values, and therefore he provided a ratio of areas of two similar triangles ABC and DEF. Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF equals 1:2, that's why it will be 1 upon 2. AB is 4, that's why it will be 4 square upon DE square. Okay, and now let's cross multiply this. Therefore 1 into d square equals square of 4 is 16 into 2. Okay, or you may write it as it is, 4 square into 2, and therefore d square equals, yes, 4 into 4 into 2, and therefore by taking square root de equals, out of these 2, 4 into 4, we may consider root of that 16 as 4, and 2 is not perfect square, that's why its root will be root 2 this much centimeter. Okay, as here it does not provide any unit, we are not going to write anything. D equals 4 root 2, either write their unit or write as it is. Let's see question 7. In figure, seg PQ parallel DE. Area of triangle PQF equals 20 units. Area of triangle PQF equals 20 square units. PF equals 2 dp. PF equals 2 dp. Okay. PF equals 2 dp. Then find area of quadrilateral DPQE. Area of quadrilateral DPQE. Okay, you may note by completing the following activity. Here you may note quadrilateral DPQE is a part of triangle FDE. By area addition axiom, area of quadrilateral DPQE plus area of triangle PFQ equals area of triangle DFE. Okay, if we find area of triangle DFE or DEF and subtracting through it area of triangle PQR, we are going to get area of quadrilateral DPQ. Okay, let's start a solution. Area of triangle PQF equals 20 square units, PF equals 2 dp, and therefore let us assume dp equals x. dp equals x. Therefore PF will be 2x. Now df equals dp plus df equals dp plus pf. By between this is d dash p dash f. That's why let's write here dp plus pf. dp we considered as x and pf as 2x. That's why x plus 2x gives us 3x. In triangle FDE and triangle FPQ, angle FDE means this angle is congruent with angle FPQ because it is a pair of corresponding angles, and already he told us PQ is parallel to DE. Okay, let's write here name of that angle, angle FPQ, angle FPQ, angle FDE congruent angle FPQ. Similarly, angle FED, angle FED is congruent with angle FQP. Again, it is a pair of corresponding angles, angle FQP. Since corresponding angles, okay, and therefore triangle FDE similar triangle FPQ. FDE similar triangle FPQ. F correspond to F, D correspond to P, E correspond to Q. Okay, and therefore area of triangle FDE upon area of triangle FPQ equals, we know about sides DF and PF. That's why let's write these in terms of FD or DF and PF or FP. Let's write here. Therefore, it will be DF square upon PF square. DF square upon PF square, because DF and PF are their corresponding sides, and we know that a ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals a ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides by theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay, by theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay, 3x bracket square upon 2x bracket square gives us 9x square upon 2x square, 4x square. X square will cancel, and there will be 9 upon 4. And therefore, area of triangle FD equals 9 upon 4 into area of triangle FPQ. And area of triangle FPQ means area of triangle PQF, which is 20 square units. Let's put here 20. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20, and 9 5s are 45 square units. Now, area of quadrilateral DPQE equals area of triangle FDE minus area of triangle FPQ by area addition axiom. What is area addition axiom? Yes, sum of the areas of parts of that complete area is equals area of that complete figure. Okay, that is area addition axiom. And therefore, area of triangle FDE, which is 45, minus area of triangle FPQ means PQF, which is 20. 45 minus 20 gives us 25 square units. Thank you.